This ingeniously designed cup is not just a vessel for your favorite beverages. It's a testament to the intersection of practicality and style. Elevate your on-the-go hydration experience with a touch of stainless steel sophistication. Collapsible convenience. Unfolding a world of convenience, the stainless steel folding cup is a masterclass in collapsible design. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it effortlessly transforms from a compact disc to a functional cup, fitting snugly into pockets, backpacks, or purses. Ideal for those who cherish the mantra of "be prepared," this folding cup ensures hydration is never sacrificed for convenience. On-the-go elegance. Who says practicality can't be elegant? The stainless steel folding cup challenges that notion with its sleek and polished exterior. The stainless steel finish not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures durability, making it a stylish companion for your outdoor excursions, travel escapades, or daily adventures. Hydrate in style wherever life takes you. Travel companion. Designed with the avid traveler in mind, this folding cup is more than just a piece of stainless steel. It's your trusty travel companion. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets, hiking scenic trails, or camping under the stars, having a reliable cup at your fingertips is a game changer. Enjoy a sip of refreshment wherever your wanderlust leads you, all while minimizing your environmental footprint. Eco-friendly hydration. Embrace eco-friendly hydration with the stainless steel folding cup. Say goodbye to disposable cups and bottles, and opt for a sustainable solution that reduces waste. This cup's reusable nature aligns with a commitment to environmental responsibility, allowing you to enjoy your beverages guilt-free while making a positive impact on the planet. Versatile applications. Beyond its primary role as a cup, this stainless steel wonder boasts versatile applications. From enjoying your morning coffee to savoring a post-hike tea break, the folding cup adapts to various beverages with ease. Its stainless steel construction ensures the preservation of flavors, providing a pure and untainted drinking experience every time. User-friendly unfolding. Ease of use takes center stage with the stainless steel folding cup. Unfolding is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. With a simple flick of the wrist, the compact disc expands into a sturdy and dependable cup. Compact and lightweight. The epitome of minimalist design, this folding cup is both compact and lightweight. It won't burden your load, ensuring that you can carry it effortlessly wherever your adventures take you. Its unobtrusive presence in your travel gear makes it a must-have for those who value functionality without sacrificing precious space. Durable construction. Crafted from robust stainless steel, the folding cup is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Its durability ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion for countless sips and swigs. Whether you're sipping your favorite hot beverage or enjoying a refreshing cold drink, this cup stands resilient against the test of time. Stainless steel elegance anywhere. Whether you're conquering mountains, strolling through city parks, or simply navigating the demands of daily life, the stainless steel folding cup brings a touch of elegance anywhere you go. Its versatility, durability, and collapsible design make it the epitome of a modern lifestyle accessory, one that seamlessly combines form and function. I think in essence, the stainless steel folding cup transcends the ordinary, offering a portable hydration solution that aligns with the demands of contemporary living. From its collapsible convenience to its on-the-go elegance, this cup is a testament to the marriage of style and practicality. Make every sip an experience, no matter where your adventures take you, with the stainless steel folding cup by your side. Thank you for watching. Let's meet tomorrow for another great video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content.